I did my melodic analysis on the alto air from Handel's Messiah, Part 1, Movement 6, called "But Who May Abide." The entire excerpt that I focused on, which is about 8 measures, is all in D minor. So I broke the soprano line into 2 different lines. So there's a top line and there's a line that moves below it. So the top line starts in the 5th scale degree and then moves in, as it moves into the next few measures, it stays on scale degree 5 and then goes up to scale degree 6 and then goes through some neighboring tones down back to scale degree 5, and that's how it ends the first subsection that I worked on. And the second, the lower line of the soprano starts on scale degree 1, moves through some neighboring tones, and then finishes the subsection in scale degree 1. Now that's subphrase 1, and then I divided the next phrase into subphrase 2. So it begins on, in the soprano, it begins on scale degree 3, goes through some passing tones into scale degree 5, then scale degree 6, and then ends on scale degree 1. And that's where I finished my my excerpt from this piece. So the bass line in both subsection 1 and subsection 2 is, there's, at the most basic melodic analysis, there's the tonic is reiterated in each measure, going from tonic, which is D in D minor, to 6/4, which is an embellishing tone in this case, and then back to 1, back to the tonic. So the entire section that I worked on starts in the tonic at 1 and then goes into a 6/4 embellishing tone and then ends on the tonic again.